Hi dear students, I'm Sujata from STC Degree College. Welcome you all to the 13th day virtual class. As you all know, I'm in the process of Personality Development Unit 1 Part 3 Creativity. Today I'm going to discuss Guess after the story. Are you guys ready to listen? Yes, I am ready to narrate a story of two best friends. A story tells that two friends were walking through the desert. During some point of the journey, they had an argument, and one friend slapped the other one in the face. The one who got slapped was hurt, but without saying anything, wrote in the sand, "Today, my friend slapped me in the face." They kept on walking until they found an oasis where they decided to take a bath. The one who had been slapped got stuck in the mire and started drowning, but the friend saved him. After he recovered from the near drowning, he wrote on a scroll, "Today, my best friend saved my life." The friend who had slapped and saved his best friend asked him, "After I hurt you, you wrote it on the sand, and now you write on a stone. Why?" The other friend replied, "When someone hurts us, we should write it down in the sand, where winds of forgiveness can erase it away. But when someone does something good for us, we must engrave it in a stone, where no winds can ever erase it." The moral of the story is, don't value the things you have in your life, but value who you have in your life. I hope you understood today what topic I'm going to discuss about. Your belief become your thought become your words become your actions become your habits become your value becomes your destiny. This is the quote by Mahatma Gandhi ji. Now you should have come to conclusion. What is that I am going to discuss about? Yes, I am going to discuss or I am going to tell you about human values. Let me give an introduction about human values. Human values are the foundation for a viable life within society. The basic inherent values in human includes truth, honesty, loyalty, love, peace, etc. because they bring out the fundamental goodness of human being and society at large. No human life is possible without values. Human value are those universal concepts driven out of actions which are found in all cultures, all societies, all times, and in all places where human beings ache out their lives. Value guides the selections or evaluate policies, people, and events. That is, value some as standard of criteria. So human values are set of consistent behavior and measures that guides human being in doing what is right and acceptable by the society. They attract dignity, respect and appreciation and appropriateness among people. We are people's belief, feeling, attitude towards things, situations or other people. Value means freedom, honesty, self-respect, equity, etc. or perceptions about what is good or bad, right or wrong. Here we go for the types of human values. Human values have an inherent energy and dynamism. Human value do not follow the law of physical science. They are applied, used, experienced, expressed and acted out. They benefit both the giver and the receiver. The five human values which can be found in all cultures, all societies and in all religions is the truth, satya, right conduct, it is called as dharma, love, it is called as kindness, peace, shanti, non-violence means ahimsa. These values are eternal. They are external essence which evaluate human life to its highest expression, its highest capacity. Now I'll be discussing about the basic human values and the types of human values and also the importance of human values. The basic human values are honesty, courage, fairness, respect, caring, and trust. And if you see the types of values are the truth, love, peace, right conduct, and non-violence. Let me brief out. So honesty is nothing but talking straight, being genuine and ethical. That is being straightforward, never cheat the people, being very honest. So that is honesty. And courage is taking accountability for results, being courage to face the reality, to face the risk and to correct the mistakes. That is called as courage. And fairness is treating people equally and no partiality, no injustice, feel free or fair to all religion, caste and creed. Respect is treating individual with dignity. Caring is listening carefully to others, working together to achieve shared goals. Trust is keeping our promise is called trust or worthiness. These are the basic value of human life. Now let's see the types of values. The types of values are truth, love, peace, right conduct and non-violence. Truth means learning to speak the truth. That is the first step, that is the first vital step in the formation of strong character. So if you want to be very strong in your character, first be truthful. Don't tell lies. It hurts ourselves as well as others. Love is not an emotion affects by the subconscious mind, but it is pure reaction from the heart. It is the power of love which causes one person to wish happiness for another and take pleasure of being well. Love is unconditional positive regard for good of another. It is giving and unselfishly, that is flawlessly, which comes out from the heart. Peace is when we are happy and content. When there is peace in the individual, there will be peace in the family. When there is peace in the family, there will be peace in the community. In order to learn self-esteem, calmness and freedom from anxiety and necessary, we have to learn to be peaceful. Right conduct is nothing but right attitude and right behavior towards our work. And non-violence is the personal practice of being harmless and self and others to self and others. So never harm others under every conditions. Be very fair in protection and be rightful, don't be wrong. So protect the right one and punish the wrong one. That attitude we have to possess. And non-violence is not hurting other. So these are the types of values. Now why human values are important means it helps individuals for following some reasons. They are the important, they are very very important. These human values are very very important because they help individual to grow and also they help in the personality development in all areas and create the future. It also helps in experiencing new things, that it also helps in decision making, directing an individual towards a specific purpose. It helps in studying individual needs, interaction with people, and reaching goals, making standard rules in life, in better and having better communication with others and better understanding with people and framing attitudes. This is are some of the importance of human values. Let's see the grid of human values and sub-values. Already I have discussed in 5 human values, that is the right conduct, peace, truth, love and non-violence. Now let's see what are the sub-values of right conduct, peace, truth, love and non-violence. The sub-values of right conduct is manners, health, awareness, helpfulness, responsibility, independence, perseverance and courage. In peace, the human values which they have to possess is the patience, concentration, positiveness, self-acceptance, self-discipline, thankfulness and contentment. In truth, truth is nothing but truthfulness, creativity, honesty, determination, fairness and trust and reflections. Love is nothing but kindness, friendship, forgiveness, generosity, compassion, tolerance and services. Non-violence is nothing but consideration, cooperation, global stewardship, loyalty, active citizenship, justice and respect. These are the human values and sub-values that an individual person has to possess. In my next class, I'll be discussing about the classification of human values and ethics and their differences, ideal of life and becoming role model. So I think you would have understood better what I explained in today's class. The same thing will be explained in the next class with more content. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, stay home, be safe.